wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. Do you know the word self-worth? Do you know what it means? The definition, according to the dictionary, is the sense of one's own value or worth as a person. Self-esteem, self-respect. Do you understand what that means? Yeah, it's a bit difficult. Maybe Noah and Olivia can help. Let's check in with them.
You know how you're always saying that you don't think your drawings are quite as good as you want and you like them to look very realistic?
Yeah, I'm not a good drawer or painter or anything.
Well...
Is this going to make me into a pro?
Yep, exactly. This is a tracing kit.
A tracing kit?
Yeah, so open up on your side.
Okay, I will.
Okay, and here, can you pull it out?
I'm pulling. I got it. Wow, what is this?
That's your big machine.
Is this a machine that basically just, I press a button and it paints for me, and that's why it's a pro?
Oh. Silly. No. If you did that, it would be a machine like a pro, but you are going to draw like a pro today, Noah.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
So, kids, Noah's self-esteem is low right now. He thinks Olivia is such a great painter because she always paints these beautiful things. And Noah thinks his paintings aren't so beautiful. He also said how hard painting is for him. Mikey, how can we help Noah?
Well, let me tell you, kids, sometimes there will be things that you just aren't good at, while there will be other things that you're really good at. Well, how do you get good at the things that you do really well? Practice, practice, and more practice. And so, if there's something that you aren't doing so good, you just have to try and make mistakes and then try again, and you'll get better. You see, Olivia loves painting and probably has painted more often than Noah, while Noah loves writing music and has done that more often than Olivia. So, if Noah keeps trying different techniques and practices painting, he will learn he can do it too. And that's going to boost his self-esteem and therefore self-worth.
So that means he feels better when he's tried and then done something where he feels accomplished.
Exactly. And we all in life will do things that we fail at. And for a moment, we might not want to try again or just give up. Kids, we can all quit and stop trying. That's easy to do. What's fun, though, is trying again and again and again, because eventually, kids, you will succeed and it will feel so wonderful. There are people who say that it feels like walking on clouds.
Walking on clouds? Whoa. You know what, Mikey? Just you saying that and how that feels, I will continue trying that too. Whatever it is that I'm not good at, I will try and try and try and try and try and try and try again.
How wonderful! Should we see how Noah's doing?
Yes, let's do!
So here, let me show you how this works.
Okay.
So it's got some markers here.
I think on this side it opens up.
Oh yeah, so open your side and I hold this down. Boop, 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 boop.
Okay.
And then in that package that's in front of you?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you pull out one of the orange things or just dump it all out?
Okay, I'm dumping it all out.
And now hand me one of the orange ones. Or a green one, just hand me one. Yeah. So.
Oh, there you go.
Thank you. Do you see on this there's like a little picture, right? Yeah, and there can you see all the little pictures?
Yeah, I see pictures there.
Great. So on the back of this machine, like a slide.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm doing it down here.
Okay.
So we slide that in, and then we slide that in.
Yes.
And then this will be the focus. So now we open this again.
Okay.
Okay. And
then?
there's a little button right here. Once I turn this little button on, there's a light. And now, can you see the picture?
Yeah, I see it. There's an image right there.
Yeah. So now, if you take your white piece of paper.
Oh, that's why I was supposed to bring paper.
Yeah. And
now
you put
I
it down
understand
there.
it. So I put that there, and then I take a pen. Oh, there's it.
Yep. It comes with. It's got black and red and
Okay, I'll
green
take
and
black.
yellow.
And then I take the black pen
And
then
trace it.
I just trace it. Oh, this is so easy. I can do this too.
Yeah.
Wow, I'm going to be a pro. Yay! Oh, this is so exciting.
I'm so glad you like this.
Yeah, this is great.
Cool. And we'll show you with the green slides that you have. Those
right
green
here?
ones, yeah. Those ones they're slide wheels.
Okay.
So if you spin it, there's different pictures on each one.
Yeah.
And then you could put the slide in and then move the paper around, and you can have different pictures, or maybe a mountain and an animal in the front, or so it gives you the whole scene.
So basically I can create a whole world, a whole picture, and oh my God, this is amazing.
Yeah. So should we try it?
Yeah, let's do that. I really want to do it. I can be a pro.
Yay! No,
Okay.
the pro.
Oh, maybe I should look at all of those and then select
Look
which
through
one.
all of them and see
Okay.
which ones you want to do. And also, there's the paper that we can put more different ones in the orange one too.
Oh, yeah, I
There's a
have those too.
ton of choices.
Okay, I'm going to go
And
through these
some
first.
are colored and some are not, so you can have ideas for how to color, or you can make it up yourself.
Okay.
It's great.
Okay, I think I know. Let's turn it around and let me start drawing.
Okay, let's get you ready.
I already pre-selected. I'm not gonna do one of these, maybe later, but I really want to do the crocodile in the car because I think that one's funny.
That's awesome.
So can I put that one on?
Yeah. And then I'll pull all these other designs away so you can use them later if you want.
And I'll put these to the side. Can you turn off the light too? Because this way I can see it better.
Oh yeah. I'll turn off the light.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll use
Is
these
that good?
colors. Yeah, I think so. Now I just need to focus in. Just like that. Oh, that was maybe too much. Hold on. There we go. Okay, I think
Very
now I
nice.
can do that. Since the crocodile is green, I'm gonna make him green. Well, this is so easy to do.
It looks really good.
I hope so.
Wow. You're great at this, Noah.
Well, it makes it easy, you know?
Yeah. I'm gonna put these markers in.
I'm done. I think.
It looks really, really good.
Okay, Olivia, you can turn the light on again. I think now it's time to show the kids what I did.
Okay.
Oh.
Woo! So bright.
I wonder what you think of it.
Hold on. Let me see.
See, this is what I did.
Oh, wow.
Do you like it?
Yeah, Noah, that looks great.
I know the circles aren't that perfect yet, but you know, this really teaches me and makes me better because I can trace it and learn the movement and everything, and it's gonna look even better. But for the beginning,
look at
I
that
think this is pretty
alligator.
good.
I think it looks great. There's
Yep.
an alligator in a car. That's a really hard drawing to make.
Yep.
Wow, kids, look at what Noah did. That's so impressive. And he did it all by himself. I'm super proud of him. And I'm super proud of you, too. Because I know sometimes it's just hard. But you never give up. And while you might not always succeed, you are trying. And sometimes we learn just by doing that. So, never give up and never surrender. I'll see you next time. Bye!
If you like what you see on Dream Again, Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.